Hello, welcome back to the channel. This week we've got another special model for you. It's a Matchbox hydraulic excavator k-1 model from 1970. This one has the same actual excavator part as the Hill, as I've shown in my previous models. So this part here is the same. Anyway, let's have a closer look at this one here, and I'll see what I think about the model and whether it's worth to collect or not. Stay with me and we'll have a closer look at this one. Here, so this excavator k-1 from Matchbox is a 1970 model. We have just a simple one rivet here holding this together, and the information underneath regarding the year. It's has the same Hydra sleeves here. 1, 2, 3. So it's pretty full action model here. It's pretty cool. It rotates 360 degrees. Which is pretty cool. We have a looks like a white interior here. Slightly yellow orange windows, and this one has still the original Hill 6 stickers at the front here, and the same on this side, and this one has also OK stickers on either side. One there and one there. It's a 1/62 scale. There's no suspension on this model at all, but I guess the size of the chunky wheels made it quite a capable model. As I said, it's 1970. This one's really got good quality paint. Lovely red, and definitely one to collect for the future. 1970 k-1, something to collect for your kit here. We also have a white stripe going around the whole of the model there as well. Pretty cool. Yeah, no rubber wheels, just plastic wheels on these one. So it's a cheap model back in the day. But as I say, very nice action. Nice gripper there. Very cool. And one to have. I will take some detailed pictures of this one, and as usual, and include them for reference. And until next time, give me a thumbs up and a like and share, and I will soon be out with a new model. Very exciting model coming up next time for you. Until then, take care, and I will see you next time.